Alright, why are we doing all this? I said at the beginning of the lecture today that it was the beginning of something amazing. Perhaps the main idea for the whole course, the most amazing idea. And this is the start of it. That's why we're doing it. So now that we've got a lot of vocabulary down, let's see if we can say more about this main idea. So again, we use our knowledge and our experience with improper integrals. That was a previous chapter we did in our course. The way we handle all these. And I want to remind you that sometimes these integrals were extremely difficult. So sometimes we had things like the integral from 1 to infinity of ln of x plus sine of x all over x squared plus the square root of x minus x to the third dx. Yeah, good luck trying to actually integrate that. Sometimes computing is not really a valid choice. So when that happens, we said, hey, there are other options sometimes. If you're not Chuck Norris, you may be stopped here at this integral, but you can always try to compare it to something more manageable. And if you can't compare it to something more manageable, maybe you can settle for just knowing whether or not the infinite integral converges or diverges. That would be the case for us many times when we compute these sums, infinite sums. We will either try to compute the partial sums, we will try to compare with something that we know and it's more manageable, and more often than that, we will just settle for knowing whether it converges or diverges. And that will be crucial to our main idea, the showcase, the crowning idea for the entire course will be based on our good ability to determine often whether these things converge or diverge. And so we will spend weeks trying to settle this question, trying to develop methods to compute, to compare, and to determine whether or not these babies right here converge or diverge. This one's particularly easy. We did it earlier because it's a geometric sum. But they will get a lot more interesting. And you should keep your eye on the ball here. What we're doing is trying to become really good at one of these three, either computing, comparing, or settling for convergence on these series, so that we can get to the amazing idea for the course. That's why we're doing all this. Okay, I hope that makes sense. It gives you something really nice to look forward to. The amazing idea. It'll have to be postponed again. We're going to pause the entire course for a couple weeks and just focus on our techniques on these ideas right here. We're going to sharpen our computing skills, comparing skills, and convergence, divergence skills on series. Okay, I think that will do it for us today. Next time we meet, it's all about sharpening these skills. We'll see you guys here next time. Peace.